got an '07 Honda Accord. Took this whole plate off. Took the radiator mounts off. Looks like we're gonna have to dump a little bit out of the radiator. I gotta change a condenser. It's up here. And a compressor. And it's sure to be fun. It's 6 a.m. I don't want to yell. All right, boys and girls. Sure to be a fun day. So we dumped a little bit of coolant. Not too much, less than a quart. So in here, you get a captured nut inside the plastic housing of the radiator. They're all on top. They're all rusty. So what I suggest, and this is how I did it. Clamp that as tight as you can as you're backing the bolt out, because otherwise you're going to egg out the square recess in the plastic here. It's not that strong. Yeah, we're in the Northeast. Everything rusts. Again, a victim of the Northeast. I'd say it was time. Yeah, that thing's done for. So this thing was working. I get it flat on the highway. Get back in the car. 99 degrees outside. The AC don't work. Yeah, that thing. So I got a new kit. I got the condenser, the compressor, and the valve. So that's what we're working on now. Try and clean that radiator. Pull the belt off and start taking that compressor off. Okay, boys and girls, it's in. I did not film it because it fought me the whole way. So the two top bolts, fairly easy. The bottom bolts, you could back them off no problem with a ratcheting wrench, and then from underneath without taking the air dam off. So you could get them out, but they won't come out of the compressor until you lift it up and out. And then even then, dissimilar metals, steel and aluminum, you didn't know when the bolt was all the way backed out because it was fighting you stuck in this little, in the pocket. I'll show you on the old one. The bolts got stuck in that little pocket and I had to drive them out with a hammer and a punch. So they give you an O-ring kit and you got to match up the O-rings for the end of your hoses. Get them there. One there. All right, boys and girls, so we pressurized it with nitrogen. Here's my vacuum pump. Now I fill it up. I only pressurize it to the low side. The max on the low side. I actually stopped it at 60, shot up to 65. That'll happen due to temperature change. Yeah, so nitrogen, check it for an hour or so, make sure it stays, then we'll vacuum it out. Almost done. All this is done. The condenser wasn't hard. You really got to just swap everything over. And the lines were in good shape, so. All right. Hopefully the vacuum pump starts next. It's only about 65 degrees outside. Needs a little more gas. We're running, we're good. Alright, boys and girls. Go back together. Another project well done. Yeah, we need a little more gas over there. We gotta pump that up. Maybe another can. Don't want to bore you, boys and girls. Good luck with your projects. I don't know if you can see that. There's frost on the damn windows. 65 degrees outside, maybe 68, with high humidity. It's working pretty good. All right, I'm happy. That wasn't too bad. Thought it was going to be worse. Not like a GM. Well, the old GMs, the compressor was on top. The new ones, they're on the bottom. What's up with that? All right, later. Good luck. Good luck with your projects. Just get it done. Quit procrastinating. This broke on Thursday. It's Saturday. Bye.